Hi, Dr. Madhusmita Choudhury here. I am proposing one project which I feel the need in our campus, at the Janagar Military campus. So, mostly from main building to the SMO section or the sports unit, whenever we wanted to go, there are some problems. Since we are not able to get a vehicle or it need to be planned in advance, or you need to go with your own vehicle for faculties and staff. But in case of students, they are normally going to that section by walking. So I was thinking that if we can manufacture two e-cycle, that would be actually beneficial for the student. So this actually is the project in my mind, and what I'm going to do is before we start this project, first the student test this concept with the students. Students means I have finalized three students to this. So these three students would do all the needful for this project, running of this project during summer. So student would first test the concepts whether they really, all the students really like this intra commuting options, this e-cycle campus or not. So if it is positive, then we'll go for the next step. So these three participant or student coordinators for this, they will learn how to prepare a budget for the production of this. Basically, we have started. I have thought of in mind manufacturing to e-rickshaw. That is the second stage of this. Third stage would be they will organize one workshop, and I had one name in my mind, and the one was recommended by Professor Dion Rauser, one faculty name. So we will go ahead with it after the consent and after approval of this project. So the three student coordinators who are part of this project and the faculty coordinators and me would organize one kind of workshop where the students would learn how to assemble these parts and to make it as a e-cycle. Then the student would also learn how to test the product quality in the sense the same e-cycle what they are making. So it will be tested for its durability and for its quality testing quality. And once it would be approved, we would be using it inside our campus only. Initially with two, yes, it would be one ambitious planning like at Indonesia we have new cycles. New cycle is coming out with the app, so students only need to make this app and download this app and utilize by paying some rental and all. That was basically the model. But at present, looking at the constraint, this may not be possible here. But yes, so those who cycle would be available at campus, and we would ask some security deposit from the students, whoever would utilize that e-cycle, and hourly basis we will charge. Model yet not finalized. So we would discuss, the board can suggest what should be the model. Next, once that is done, we would be, make it for commercialization scaling. And then, we will look into this uniqueness of this e-cycle, and further we can, we means the student team or the, entire group, we can file a patent for the same e-cycle. And yes, after that patent grant, we may go for manufacturing and we may go for as a commercialized purpose. So if that is done, everything is going as per the plan. Of course, it will take time. This is not easy. This is a long process. So if this is happening, then we would set up a LLP also for manufacturing this cycle in the campus. And yes, I would like the students to go for this pitch product pitch to get investments and all. So this is how the project in my mind with the guidance of everyone, and any recommendations from the board member on the same is appreciable to make it a shape.